बिल्लू चैनल पर आप सबको खुश आमदीद। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। माई डे स्टार्ट अर्ली। आई वेक अप एट 4 o'clock AM. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I get dressed in my favorite clothes. I like to wear comfortable clothes. I go to the dining table. I like to eat cereal with milk. It is. I also have a glass of orange juice. Breakfast makes me feel awake. After breakfast, I check my phone for message. I like to see if my friends sent me any messages. I reply to them and say good morning. Then it's time for office or school. If it is a weekday, I go to school. If it is a weekend, I might have a day off. At school, I learned many things. I have different classes like math, science, and English. My favorite subject is English. I like to read and write. Lunch time comes around noon. I eat lunch with my friends. We talk and laugh. Sometimes we share our food. In the afternoon, I continue with my class. I learn new things and ask questions when I don't understand. When school is over, I go home. I might play with my toys and watch cartoon on TV. Sometimes I do my homework. I like to finish it early. Dinner is at 8 o'clock PM. My family sits together at the table. We eat and talk about our day. It is a good time to be with my family. After dinner, I relax for a bit. I read a book or watch drama. It is my free time. At 9 o'clock PM, it is a bedtime. I go to my room and get ready for bed. I change into my pajamas. I brush my teeth again. Then I get into bed and turn off the lights. I close my eyes and go to sleep.